today to start moving forward and enjoying life's beautiful scenery, lalo na pag ready at secured ka na. Isa sa mga katuwang ng mga Pilipino sa pagkakaroon ng magandang buhay for over 100 years ay ang first and largest Filipino life insurance company, ang Insular Life. Today, as they continue their commitment, Insular Life is launching their Magandang Araw Sticky Notes campaign. This year, Insular Life aims to reach everyone and infect them with optimism and positivity, kahit man lang sa pamamagitan ng small messages or notes.
Prior to the invention of anything that's digital, we've been writing notes. We encourage people to log on to www.magandangaraw.com.ph. By March 11, you can design your own sticky note, write as much messages as you want, and then pass it on.
Kasama pa rin ng Insular Life sa paghatid ng Magandang Araw ang world-class artist na si Miss Lea Salonga. Paano mo ginagawang positibo ang bawat araw?
I think it helps that I have very positive family members and that I am constantly surrounded by positive people. It's conscious choice that one has to make.
Pagiging involved mo sa advocacy ng Insular Life, paano ito nakaka-apekto sa'yo personally?
It has me thinking about my day-to-day life in a very positive way. It affects everything that I do. I've always been a pretty happy and positive person anyway, but I think nag-level up siya because I'm involved with people who think that way.
Living this life is indeed easier with a company that helps spread good vibes while also giving us the assurance of a secured future. Insular Life. Magandang araw ngayon, magandang buhay bukas.
Ang bahaging ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Insular Life.
Here, Mom.
Paghandaan ng bukas para maganda ang araw-araw.
Magandang buhay bukas.
Walang singsiglangin yung gising. Kasamang una